Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Tuesday morning haul. I finally found some goodies this week and I wanted to jump on and share with you what I picked up. Alright, so the first thing that I want to share are these super cute tassels. This is the medium size, and as you can see it comes in these really pretty pastel colors with the gold tops, and they were $1.99, and I picked these up because I wanted to add them to the paper purses that I made for my craft fair. I'm running out of time and I don't know if I have time to make a bunch of tassels, so that's why I just bought some that were pre-made, and these colors will actually are going to work perfectly with the colors that I used for my paper purses, so that's why I picked those up. I found these really pretty die-cut felt snowflakes, and they were only $1.49, and you get 30. So I mean, that is a really great price, and they're really pretty color too, pretty blue. And then I picked up this Snow and Cocoa, it's a Christmas banner, and the reason why I picked it up, it comes with these gold letters, and they're already, you know, pre-cut, and I plan on making a banner for my craft fair table. And I'm just going to use these letters and kind of just make my own banner using the words. I think I'm just going to use the word Merry. We'll see. I have to figure it out, but that is my idea with this. And this was, how much was this? I don't even know how much this was, but it was probably a couple of dollars or less. I also picked up these jelly bean soup favor bags, and they were $1.19. And they have the foil on them, and I just thought those were really cute, so I picked those up. I was able to find some more of these chipboard stars, and they're in this really pretty glitter. I've hauled these before, and I made a project with them, and I'm going to be sharing that video very soon with you guys. So I was happy to find some more of these stars, and I think you get 12 in a 12 count. Yes, it's a 12 count. So really great find if you can find that. I picked up some chipboard tags for my craft fair so I can write the prices of the stuff that I'm selling, and it'll be easily seen on some of the little baskets that I'll have displayed on my table, and that was $1.99. I did find a die, and it's a Spooktacular. I picked this up. I'll be able to use it next year for Halloween, and it's actually a really nice size, and it looks like you can layer it, double layer it, so really fun. I picked up, I did see other tonic dies, but most of the dies, they were priced at $9.99, and I just thought that was way too expensive. I just thought they'd lost their minds. Maybe they priced it wrong. I'm not really sure, but some of them I just wasn't really willing to spend the $9.99 for. So anyway, I found these Bow Bunny brads, and they're in this really pretty pink color. And there's several different sizes, and these are perfect for coin envelopes and things like that. So found those. I did find some Dear Lizzie items. I found these ones. They're embellishments and little, I think, yeah, they're not brads, but they're just little embellishments. And how super cute. Look, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see, but look at that adorable little fox. You know I couldn't pass that up. So cute. I love this little set. So found that. I'm not sure what collection it's with, but it's absolutely adorable. I love the colors. I also found this little embellishment set as well. It was $2.19. Again, it's Dear Lizzie. Let me take it out of the package so you can actually see it. But they're little bobby pins, and they say hello, hooray, lovely, and yay. And I thought, how extra cute is that? So yes, loved those. If I find any more, I'm definitely going to pick them up. I thought those were adorable. I found the Dear Lizzie die cut phrases, and this is a really pretty glitter die cut. These are the sayings that are inside the box, and there's several good ones. Unicorns and sparkles, hello, celebrate. So really fun one, and this was $2.19. If I find another box of these as well, I'm probably gonna pick that up. I found the washi tape, and this is also Dear Lizzie, and I just really love the little patterns. And there are actually 6 pages of this washi tape, but there's different patterns. And I have a lot of Dear Lizzie paper, so it'll probably coordinate with some of the paper that I already have, so that's why I picked that up. Really love that. I found these really cute embellishments right here, and they are resin glitter stickers, and how adorable are those? Could not pass those up. And I guess $2.19 is their new price. They're trying to raise the prices on all this craft stuff, I guess, but super cute. I found the Bow Bunny, it's called Escape to Paradise collection, And I found the chipboard stickers that coordinate with this paper pad, and it's absolutely adorable. It's like a little summer theme, and I just really loved the little patterns and colors in here. I thought these were adorable. Hopefully I can find some more pieces to go with it, but thought that was extra cute. I found a Die Cuts with a View glitter cardstock, and you know I can't pass up glitter, and it was only $3.49, so this was really, really pretty. I love finding these for a good price. And then I also found a foil cardstock pad as well for $2.99, and this is just all different colors of different foiled paper. And I love Die Cuts with a View. They have quality paper, and this is actually really sturdy foil. So really, really nice paper pad. I found this little roll of stickers, and they're gold foil stickers, and the box was a little beat up, as you can see, but I still picked it up anyway. But this is the sticker roll, and I just thought those were really cute. They're already die cut, and they're just stickers, so really, really fun. They'd be perfect to decorate like Happy Mail and stuff like that. I found the Snow and Cocoa card set, and I'm just loving this collection. And these are the cards that come in this little set right here. And I just love this paper. It's so cute. So if I don't use them for Christmas cards, I can definitely die cut them up and use them that way. And it also comes with the envelopes, and those were $2.99. And then I found a really cool wooden star. It looks like this, and I figured I could alter it. So that's why I picked this up, and it was only $2.99. So I thought that was a really fun find. I could spray paint it white and add it as a decoration and decorate it a little bit further for my home, for home decor. So I'm really loving that. And then I found some more paper. I found the Maggie Holmes Flourish paper. I had been seeing this, and then I was so inspired by my friend Shara with all of her Maggie Holmes stuff that I was like, I need to